Mom! The TV just turned off. My tablet died too, and the lights went out.
Oh dear, it looks like the storm knocked out the power.
But I was in the middle of my favorite show! I was just about to finish my drawing app. Well, it looks like we'll have to find something else to do. This is so boring. What are we supposed to do all afternoon?
Let me get some candles. We can make this fun. I'll show you. Come sit with me in the living room.
Fine, but I don't see how this is going to be fun.
When I was your age, we didn't have tablets or video games.
Really? What did you do for fun?
We played games, told stories, and talked to each other.
That sounds so boring.
It wasn't boring at all. It was actually wonderful.
What kind of stories did you tell?
Well, my grandmother used to tell me stories about her childhood.
Is that what we're gonna do? Listen to old stories?
Maybe. Or maybe we can make up our own stories.
I'm not good at making up stories. I'm only good at drawing. Then draw a story. You don't need a tablet for that.
You can act out the story. You're very good at being funny.
Really? You think I'm funny?
You always make me laugh.
Okay, I have an idea. I'll draw a story about a superhero dog. And I can be the superhero dog! And I'll be the narrator. Let's do it! I'm gonna draw him with a cape and a mask. And I'll bark really loud and save everyone!
Once upon a time, there was a brave superhero dog named Nugget.
Nugget? Like our hamster? That's so cute! I am Nugget the super dog! Woof woof!
And he had a special power. He could find anything that was lost.
That's perfect! He finds lost toys and missing socks. And he never gives up until he finds the treasure.
One day, a little girl lost her favorite teddy bear.
And Nugget the super dog sniffed out the trail. I found the teddy bear under the bed. Woof woof!
But wait, the teddy bear was trapped under a pile of books.
Oh no! How will Nugget save him? Easy. I'll use my super strength to push the books away.
And he did. He saved the teddy bear, and the little girl was so happy.
I love this story. Let's do another one. Okay, this time I'll draw a story about a princess who can talk to animals. That sounds wonderful. Max, you can be the magical parrot. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a cracker. You're so silly, Max. I know where she hid it. The secret cookie jar. I knew it. Let's go get it.
See? A power outage can be a chance for adventure.
I never thought I'd say this, but I don't even miss my tablet. Me neither. This is way better than watching TV.
I'm so glad to hear that. Family time is the best kind of time.
Can we do this again even when the power comes back?
Of course! We can have a story night every week.
I'd love that. Can we invite Grandma too?
That's a wonderful idea. She has so many amazing stories to tell.
Maybe next time I can be the pirate captain. And I'll draw an underwater treasure map. I hear the rain stopping. Does that mean the power will come back soon?
I can't wait. You two are the best story makers I know.
I don't care if it does. We're having too much fun.
And that, my loves, is the real magic of a power outage.
Woof woof! I'm still Nugget the super dog, and I'm the artist who draws his adventures.
And I'm the proudest mom in the whole world.